There is an ancient current that runs beneath every thought. It is older than language, deeper than reason. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was given to man as his birthright. That word is not sound but intention spoken with belief. It is through this creative speech that we design our world. Your subconscious mind is the echo of that first command. It listens to every thought and reproduces its pattern in form. It does not judge, it obeys. What you continually declare, it continually builds. You are surrounded not by chance, but by the architecture of your own expression. This is the oldest truth of autosuggestion. We speak our circumstances into motion. Every phrase repeated with emotion becomes a seed planted in the unseen. The subconscious takes root in feeling, not logic. Say, "I prosper in peace" long enough, and peace will hire reality to prove you right. The divine operation within you is forever expanding. It must move forward, producing what has never been before. You are not a copy. You are a continuation. When you align thought with this law of growth, new conditions unfold effortlessly, always in advance of what has gone before. Desire is the fire that carries instruction into the deep. It is not impatience. It is focused energy. When desire burns clean, the subconscious translates it into motion. Each night, as you sleep, it constructs blueprints drawn from your emotional state. You wake inside the house you designed in feeling. Faith is the stillness that follows command. It does not plead, it knows. When belief holds steady without visible proof, matter begins to organize in silence. The invisible becomes obedient to conviction. Faith is the unseen gravity of creation. Habit is the silent force that sustains creation. Each repetition of thought strengthens its path until effort becomes nature. This is the cosmic rhythm behind every success or failure. Once set in motion, the mind's pattern continues until redirected by conscious choice. Guard your inner speech. It is steering eternity. To reprogram the subconscious, unite these laws: a vivid vision, an emotional command, unshakable faith, and consistent repetition. Speak in the present tense of power. Refuse contradiction. Reality bends to the vibration you sustain, not to the words you doubt. Your biology mirrors belief. Every cell listens to your mental climate. Fear corrodes, gratitude repairs. Peace steadies the chemistry of creation. You are not ruled by genes, but by perception. The body obeys the image the mind holds as true. Each morning, affirm quietly, "My mind is a center of divine operation. It expands through wisdom, peace, and abundance." At night, declare, "All that I have spoken is now forming in perfect order." The universe cannot deny conviction expressed as calm certainty. Wealth, peace, and mastery are not rewards. They are reflections. They arise when inner speech and outer action agree. Hold gratitude as your atmosphere. Hold confidence as your tone. The word within you has never lost its power. It waits only for direction. Remember this oldest truth. Creation began with a command, and it continues through you. Thought is the seed, emotion the water, faith the sun, habit the season. Together they yield the harvest of destiny. Speak only what you intend to live, for the universe listens exactly as you do. When you understand this, life stops feeling random. You see that every word is cause, every result its echo. The power that formed worlds now waits for your instruction. So speak with purpose, think with precision, and feel with faith. Your subconscious will obey as surely as night follows day. This is the oldest truth. Creation listens to its creator.